Hello friends, I am at the Don Muang Airport now. I am gonna tell you how you can change your flight, even it's domestic or international from Don Muang Airport. Likewise, if you are from any other country and you reach Don Muang Airport and you want to change your flight, you want to go international, you reach Don Muang Airport, Thailand, and you want to go Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, or any other place in the world. For these, you have a special requirement. Uh, First, like you are from other country and you reach Thailand and you are going to other country, means you are doing international transfer. So you have to go to international transfer. But for that, you have to uh, you get two boarding passes from origin. You are um, from some country and you take your ticket there, and the check-in counter give you two tickets from your country to Thailand and Thailand to your next destination. You will get in advance in check-in counter. But if you book your ticket on the same PNR and same flight, only that is applicable, even for domestic transfer or even for international. If your flight is different, or if your flight is different PNR, if any one of these have a lack, you are not eligible for domestic or international transfer. Likewise, if you have both and you check in and they give you both tickets of Dongmu and your forward journey. So first I tell you how you can transfer in your international transfer first. After out the flight, you have to walk toward the transfer transfer section. You can see lot of boats are here. Here you can check visa on arrivals, but everyone is going to immigration, but you not have to go there. You have to just follow the transfer board, and after you follow, you will reach here. As you can see, uh, international transfer and domestic transfer. For international, you have to go this room, and you already have both card, so they will immediately give directly go to the transfer, and you will go to the departure section. You can take the flight. Or if you are domestic, then again same thing for different section, but you have to clear the immigration. There is some counter which are small. They are immigration counter, but they make you fast to clear catch your flight. So if you are domestic transfer, first you have to go through a domestic transfer. There is a small immigration counter, and you have to clear that, and then you have to change your airport. Because domestic airport is beside, but little bit you have to walk, or 20 minutes you need that. But I suggest you make at least 3 hour gap so you can do that. Same for international transfer. International transfer is so easy. It not take time, just only 10 minutes, and you can clear everything in just 10 minutes. After you reach there to the international transfer, they check your both boarding pass, they check your forward journey visa if required, and then small security check-in, and you directly go to the departure section where you can catch the flight. It's so easy and so reliable. And for domestic, first you have to domestic reach Thailand and you want to go like Phuket or somewhere else. But first you have to clear the immigration. And immigration not means after you reach a domestic section you have to clear a very big line. No, they already have some one or two counters which are very small, no crowd. So you just they just check everything so fast and they just let you allow to go. So I think both of them are so easy to clear. No need to take a stress. But I still suggest you need at least 2 or 3 hours gap. Then you can do everything. It's good. If you like, if this helpful for you, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you so much. One more thing. For example, you are coming from Phuket or somewhere else, like you are coming from domestic and you want to go international. Same you have to do like that. After you reach Don Muang Airport, for example, you coming from Phuket and you want to go somewhere else international. You're coming from domestic, so you come here and then you go to international. transfer. So here you go, and they will do immigration for you, and they directly transfer you to international. So easy. Same in this case is for domestic. Like you are domestic and you want to go to domestic, same domestic transfer. They not let you do any immigration. So easy.